I'm Sarah McClure, your luxury travel advisor. I invite you to join me today on a tour of Disney's BoardWalk Inn, a deluxe waterfront resort at Walt Disney World that captures all the charm of turn-of-the-century Atlantic City. As you arrive at Disney's BoardWalk Inn, you're welcomed by the charming facade and beautiful landscaping. You'll find the elegant lobby, filled with natural light, vintage touches, and whimsical nods to seaside resorts of the early 1900s, where every detail here tells a story. Outside, the fun continues at the Luna Park pool area, a lively, colorful space featuring a 200-foot water slide designed to look like a classic wooden roller coaster. There's plenty of seating for families, plus a splash zone for little ones. Now, let's take a look at our resort view room. The rooms at BoardWalk Inn are fresh, bright, and inviting with beautiful wood floors and a light color palette that creates a calm, beachy vibe. There's plenty of room for strollers or wheelchairs and even space under the beds to store your luggage. In the bathroom, you'll find a spacious double vanity, a separate toilet and shower area, and amenities like a hairdryer and complimentary bath products. There's also a closet with extra bedding and a clothes steamer. For your convenience, every room includes a coffee maker and a mini drink cooler. Throughout the room, you'll spot playful artwork featuring classic Disney characters. I especially love the mix of plaid and paisley fabrics. It adds such a cozy feel. Plus, there are plenty of charging outlets thoughtfully placed around the room, a safe for your valuables, and lots of storage options to keep your space organized. The sofa folds out into a twin-size sleeper, offering additional space for families. And of course, the balcony is a wonderful place to relax with your morning coffee, taking in the views of the resort below. When you're ready to experience the magic of Walt Disney World, I would love to help you design the perfect vacation package. Please reach out. It would be my pleasure to help you plan your dream trip. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more great travel videos.